Oh, look who's joined us. Riley is now going to join the challenge, the chicken wings. Anyway, I'm not entirely sure why Karen's agreed to do this because she does not like hot sauces.
And I'm not drunk.
And she's not drunk. So anyway, this is what we're doing tonight. We've got 3 sauces. This one's honey garlic with some zing to it. It's called Supernova. Next one is pineapple oasis. And the last one is Dave's Insanity, which that's the hottest one. So we're going coldest to hottest. So let's give her some encouragement here because I'm curious to see how this is going to go.
I have to bite it now.
Are you ready?
I don't know.
So that's the Supernova one.
That's not bad.
Not bad. It's not supposed to be. You'd eat that one?
I'd eat that one.
All right. We are. Next one is pineapple oasis. I like this one. It's almost gone.
That's immediately hot on my tongue.
Yeah.
Not my favorite.
You can't eat it though? Just, what did you take? Like one bite?
Yeah, that's, I don't
Too
want
hot?
to eat more than that.
Yeah. This one's Dave's Insanity. This is the one I'm waiting for. This is our da bomb. This is our da bomb. Pipe?
It's already hot.
Yeah.
I don't like this. I don't want to chew it. Oh, I don't like that. Oh my god. I don't know why you would eat this. Oh.
You haven't had a drink of anything yet. I'm surprised.
I would never eat that again.
No?
If you paid me.
Well, there you have it. You okay?
Yeah. I'm not doing this again. Ever.
I'm surprised you did tonight.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah. No.
No, let's keep it rolling.
No. Oh, no. I mean, no. Oh my god. I don't know how you eat that.
The honey garlic one is.
I'll eat the first one. That's about it. By choice.
I really like the pineapple one.
Oh my god. Oh, you're eating the first one. I'm like, that's the only one I would
That's the first
eat.
one here. I took a bite of it though. Still at it. Don't mind the mess. This is the hot one.
That's gross.
Whoa.
How long does this last for? I hate this. How long does this last? Oh my god. I made a huge mistake. Riley's gonna try it.
I don't think so.
I don't know why you would ever choose to eat that. Oh my god. Why? Like, why would someone even make that? I can't even imagine the bomb. It's still horrible.
It's only been 5 minutes.
Only. I don't know why you would choose to eat that. Ever.
Well, have a good night.